Hello. Today, I will be walking you through the process of completing a client assessment in CAREAPP. As always, first make sure that you are logged into your CAREAPP account at hccareapp.org. Once logged in, on the home page you will find the teal button reading to start a form. Click this button and a drop-down will appear. Select the CAREAPP Clients Need Assessment, and you will be sent to the assessment form. You will have the option to select either English or Spanish as the preferred language to complete the assessment. Once you've chosen the primary language, simply input the community member's contact information. It is required that a zip code be entered, as well as their first name, last name, and phone number. Email is not required, but it can be helpful to receive information for resources upon completion of the assessment. After completing the contact information, scroll through the assessment to select any services that may be needed for the community member or their family, and check all that apply. Based on your selections, additional sections of the questionnaire will reveal themselves. Continue to answer the questions as they apply. Once you have answered all of the available questions, scroll down to the bottom where you're able to review the form. After you have reviewed the form, and if you don't need to make any edits to the submitted responses, you will need to check the consent, indicating that the community member has given consent to provide their answers and information, and that they are at least 18 years of age, or that the questions have been completed with their guardian. Once you have consented, click Submit. After submitting the assessment, your screen will route you to the Search Resources page within the client's newly created account. Notice the resource categories highlighted will correspond to the needs that were identified on the assessment. So, for example, food, perhaps financial assistance in affording groceries, and care. You can also recognize that you are working within that client's account by the blue tab here. Both you and the client will receive emails from Find Help confirming receipt of the assessment and providing links to additional resources matching those identified through the assessment. And that is how you complete the client needs assessment. Thank you for joining me today.